Yeah, it's something I found online. I like using that apple corn, run it in the feeders, and usually it's only sold during hunting season, and I can't find it during the off season, pretty much from January till bow season starts, September, October. Well, this is apple scented bait right here. Comes in a little seasoning bottle looking thing, and this thing is a Sweet Apple Addiction. It's from Northwoods Bear Products. I found it on Amazon, and it says this will treat about 1,000. Is it 1,000? Actually, it says it'll treat up to 2,000 pounds of bait. And what I figure, it's super strong. What I figure I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bag of corn in, sprinkle a little bit in, put a bag of corn in, sprinkle a little bit more in, and do that as I fill the feeders up. That way I'm still running that apple smell year round. Not too bad. Just like I said, found it on Amazon. So I picked up a handful enough to make it through the year. And there we go. And this is, I'm also hoping, since it supposedly is supposed to cover enough bait, enough corn, 2,000 pounds worth, I'm hoping, when you sprinkle just a little bit on and put another bag, you're not going to have issues with it getting, if there's moisture or whatever, and basically stopping up the feeder. So here we go. Try that. Got the snake gun. Rattlesnakes have been moving pretty bad out here, so I ain't taking no chances. Here we go.
Well, if I can keep it on the ground when I put that hammer down, then I'll be Texas